अरे सनीमाले यो मर ते म भ्याङ यो मर्दा ओ कम जरो गर्दले ता खरे के सजा खरे चिनी यो अरे मेवा अरे चिनी यो आयो मेवा आयो के ए छजो रे जन छोय रे ले ता यो छोरो लंगा दे यो जेसु ते मसे यो छु ओ लंगा यो गोटा मु जो मी खांदे ने लंगा डोरो दा सु ने 나 나가야 소두다. 나가야 소두다.
Marking of the machines, patient etc. What is mainframe computer? Mainframe computer are bigger in size than the micro and mini computer. Their work ability much higher than the mini computer. Mini computer. They are used in big companies where a huge calculation are required. What are the four main parts of computer? A CPU, monitor. CPU, the way our brain and the way our brain work on our body. CPU also work as a brain of the computer. It processes all the units. The way our heart and brain work in our body. In the same way, CPU works as heart and brain of the computer. CPU processes all the commands that are given by us. Monitor the commands processed by the CPU are displayed on the monitor. It is an output device and it shows the processed information. Keyboard is just like a typewriter. Commands are given to
感觉学大，理解。理解。好，收。研究的平台电脑，都说是呀，这。야, 보인다.
가르쳐야지. 가져야지. 여기 가서 이제. 마음에 추루 얘기. 나 추워라 가루 얘기. 가지. 이리 와. 이리 와 얘. Kinda lagi mo to.
ಹೆದರ್ಬೇಡ ಏನು ಹೆದರ್ತೀಯ ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು Hallelujah.
야, 긴 갈치 있다.